Welcome back to another video of Davian's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing the ringtones and sounds on the LG VX3200 on Verizon. This phone came out on April Fool's Day 2004, and this phone is now 21 years old. I really like the ringtones on this phone, by the way, so that's why I've gotten this phone to add to my collection. Also, it is to replace my broken LG C1300 in my collection. Here it is. You can also use the volume buttons to select in the menu, as you can see here. Now for this phone, unfortunately, there is no Bluetooth right here. So we will go ahead and show you the ringtones and sounds as of right now as I turn on the speaker right here. Oh, sorry about that. Some of the ringtones are the same as my LG VX8300. This is such a classic. That's another classic. That ringtone's the same on the LG VX3200, just the pitch is different. Sorry if I'm moving the camera a couple times. I'm just adjusting it right here. Also, I do apologize if you see reflections of me scratching my head right here. It gets itchy right here, and certain times right here. Don't forget, we will be showing you some bonus extras too, right into this video, as you can see here. Once again, I do apologize for any reflections on me scratching my head. No bad comments about it, please, or you will be blocked. Anyways, I do have the charger right here onto the phone I'm recording on because the battery's running low. Anyways, let's continue. And this ringtone is the same as the LG VX3200, just it has different instruments. Merry Christmas. Had to say that at the end because I've played a carol countdown at Christmas concerts in my band class right here. We will play these sounds in the sounds playlist right here. Anyways, let's do a bonus extra. Now, I've recorded this for fun, by the way. There is no Bluetooth, so I cannot share that audio, sadly. But if I do get a USB to LG proprietary charger and something to transfer the audios with, that would be possible. Now for this song, no copyright infringement intended. Yep, here's sounds right here. The ringtones and sounds I really do like onto this phone, in my opinion, by the way. I am currently working on the low battery empty alerts video right here, in which that video is coming soon to Davian's phone collection. Stay tuned. Also, if you do want to view the low battery empty alerts for the phones I used to have, I'll post it in the links below. And that one was on Davian's Awesome Adventures, because back then I did not have a phone collection channel until February 2021, 4 years ago. Now that's going to do with me with the ringtones, sounds, and a bonus extra on the LG VX3200 on Verizon. This is Davian's phone collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you again in the next video.